In, in today's video, I will teach you how to make a sharpener. For example, so basically, a, a knife or some sort of paper cutter, you need a sharp because sometimes basically this paper cutter is 5 blades. So meaning you can, if any one blade sharpness is done, so you can break every pieces to get a more sharp. But I accidentally use this paper wash my soldering tip, so that's why I can rub all the blade at same time, so that's why all the blade is unsharpened. So this video I will teach you how to make a sharpener to sharpen any kind of blade or any kind of knife or scissor also, but thin material, not a thick material, because this motor is not too much powerful, but it's still powerful for knife sharpening knife and paper cutters. So what I can do first, there is a motor. I attach one wheel and attach a sandpaper, which is somewhere 500 grit sandpaper with some mark blue. I recommend you can use 1000 grit with bigger motor if you sharp more bigger things. And right now just I have a paper. This is a paper. Let's just chop. Let's sharp test. So you can see it is not so sharp. It is not sharp at all. Now I take a paper inside and I set power supply 5.6 volt, or right now I set somewhere 7 volts. Because this motor running is a DM somewhere 5 volt, but I give little bit more voltage for more speed. Now attach the wires in the pins. One wire to there and other wire, which is other that wire, to there. This time you can see it spin out. This time you can not touch the sandpaper, otherwise it damage your spindle. Now place cutter like this. Now you can see it is soft. Now place this, because if you place this way, it can push front and your cutter is spin out quickly and damage your spindle. So only this way place the cutter in the cutter your knife into this cutter sharpening machine. Now you can see it is a sharp, too much sharp. After a couple of seconds, this way you can sharp your cutters or knife very easily. So you can see it gives a lot of thrust when I attach place the cutter in the unit. So there is too much thrust. That means it is indicate how much sharp it is. Now this way is not good, because you may see it is spin out, and accidentally if I place somewhere around where it can damage my spindles. So that's why you can place only this way. Keep in mind, one way is motor spinning, you can place other way which way is motor is not spinning. So you can see it's now sharp. Now you can see there are a couple of scratches. That means it's sharp. Now try again. Use a rough paper.